Hi everybody, this is TESDA NCII-CSS guide disassemble. This is the inside of the system unit: the cooling fan, the SATA cable, the motherboard, the power supply, the hard disk drive, and the optical drive. First, disconnect all the cable that connected to the system unit to prevent the damage. Then, lay the system unit in the flat surface area. After the all cable unplug, then remove the RAM. Disconnect all the cables that connected into the motherboard. This is the random access memory, the cooling fan, remove the cooling fan that is attached to the motherboard. Then, clean the surface area of the processor. This is the CPU socket and the processor, the central processing unit. Then remove all the cables that connected into the USB port. Then unloose all the screw that will support into the hard disk drive, same as in the optical drive. This is the CD or DVD room or the optical drive. Then the screw in the power supply. Then the motherboard. The motherboard has 7 screws holding it to the frame. Then remove those 7, then lift the motherboard out of a frame. The CMOS, the north bridge, the south bridge, the CPU socket, the PCI slot, this is the motherboard. Then find the other and remove all the motherboard. Then the power supply. The power supply manages all the power for the machine. Power supply supplies power to every component in a computer. Therefore, it has the most wire out of every other component. First thing we do is unplug all the wire coming from the power supply. This is Okay, there's the power supply, the optical disk drive, the hard disk drive, the motherboard, the SATA cable, and the system unit case.